drive to your head. Make sure that you have something that can function as a strap nearby you, like a scarf or belt, or binding that we're gonna do today. Rocks are totally optional, but often like for myself, especially when I'm in stuff the view. When you got those everything that lie down on the back, bring the soles of your feet together, drape your knees open. And one hand on your belly, one hand on the Baddha Konasana. Having done so, start softening your gaze or close your eyes and tuning yourself in for most natural. What is in your mind? And we'll see how you get about it. Notice more awareness, the rhythm of the breath. You even black one to the left, the right to the left, almost like you float on the back. Press your right and pulse it for the sky. Think of else pain. Bring it back there. Twice more like that. Breathe the space and right hip up. Next time when you're up, tuck your right knee in, pass your head in front of the right shin, inhale, reach to the left, and exhale, the shoulder blade back to the wall. Inhale, bend your left leg, stretch your right leg out, and switch sides. Flow with control. Next, the navel, put the spine all the way down and underneath you. Each time, gain energy surging out of that straight leg. And bring your bent knee close to your chin. Next time, your right knee bend in. And inhale, release toward the floor. Find a strap if you have it. And loop it around the ball of your right foot. Option to bend your left leg in and step your right foot toward the sky. Make sure both hips are still evenly attached with the ground. Extend your left arm out. Or slowly lower your right foot towards your right side. And back to center. And exhale. Make sure you're still attaching the left hip stipple ground, releasing your right foot toward the ground. Option 2, extend your left leg forward. One round of long breath here. And exhale, bring back. Take a breath. Extend your right leg forward. And press your left foot, your right in the left leg, beyond the back. And now bring the knee toward the sky. Notice next time your left hand up your knees and inhale, reach the place and right back in. Turn your left leg. Maybe this time, bring it up and back. Is this too much for you? Bring your hands back to next time your left leg is bent in, it's back to the floor. Find your strap again, grab the ball of your left foot. And step your left foot towards the seat again. Then your right arm. Let that right shoulder into the ground. Just slowly lower your left foot towards your left side. The point that your right hip bone stay on the ground. And bring it back to center. Nice more like that. Exhale, release to the side. And come back to center. One more time. This time stay open. Maybe use your right hand to help your right hip bone to be plugged into the ground. And possibly perhaps extend your right leg more. One more inhale. And exhale, bring everything back to center. Hug your knees in. Bring your knees wider than your shoulders. Do some circles here. Draw some circles with your knees. Possibly reverse direction if you're doing that. Cross your ankle. And rock back and forth. Come to table pose. Your wrist right underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Your table pose. Option to bring your fingertips facing them toward your knees. Use your wrist to stretch. Inhale, drop your belly, lift the elbow, cow pose, Vinyasa. And exhale, round your back up. Vinyasa. Cat pose. More rounds like that with your inhale and exhale. Option to add any side movement if your body is ready for that. Whenever you're ready, come back to neutral. Flip your hands back. Bring your big toes together and float your right knee slightly off from the floor. Inhale, open it towards your right. Everything stays the same, pushing firmly into your left shin. And exhale, release back to where it was. Inhale, open. And exhale, release down. One more time, inhale, open. This time, kick out your left shin and extend your right leg back. Reach your right hand toward the sky, support it side and right. Turn your right palm toward your back and bring it to your back or grasp the top of your left thigh. for half bind. Inhale, use your side body strength to come up. Left hand towards the sky. And exhale, keep the bind side bend to your right. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, left hand down, float your right leg up. Extend your right arm over your right ear. Support its half moon. Inhale, reach through your fingers and your toes. And exhale, release your hands down. Tap your right foot outside of your right hand, wide leg lunge. Inhale, open your chest. And exhale, pull back or straighten your front leg, half split. Inhale, come forward. And exhale, sit it back. One more time. And pull forward, stay in this half split. Option 2, bring your left hand down, float your right hand toward the sky. Twist to your right. Come back forward, hands down, step your left foot outside of your left hand. And palms together. Come to Malasana, yoga squat. Pushing your elbows into your thigh bones and also closing your thigh bones toward your elbows. Maybe close your eyes for one short moment. Extend your right arm out, left arm up, and release your right ear over your right shoulder. Option to turn your left palm and bring it to your back for a half bind. Come back to center. Extend your left arm out and right arm toward the sky. Drop your left ear towards your left shoulder. Lift your right palm and bring that half bind into the pose. Come back to center, hands down, lift your tailbones up, and heel toe your feet together. Inhale, straighten your left leg, right hand towards the ground, and left hand towards the sky. Twist to the left. Bring it back down, and straighten your right leg, side slightly bend to your left, and float your right arm up. Bring it back to center, and release the Vinyasa. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, release. Roll up, Hastasana. Come back, come up with your toes, and right hand grab your left wrist, side bend to your right. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, side bend to the left. Come back up, and then open your arms, swan dive immediately over your leg. Inhale, lift the spine. Exhale, step your right and left. Behind. Knees down, bend to your elbows, move your chaturanga all the way down to your belly. Keep your hands up, your elbows in. Inhale, lift your chest. Jump back and then one more time. And exhale. Extend your arms out. Bring your left hand to where your left elbow is, and for your fingers, and roll up the right side body. Option to stay here, or lift your top leg, bend it, tap your left foot behind you. Continue open that chest. Option to float your left arm, and maybe even bring it back to be with your right hand. Back to center. Send your left arm out, right hand in, and roll up onto your left side. Option to step your right foot behind you. Maybe bring your right hand to be with your left. center. Push to your table or plank. And feel inverse down. And elbow touch one up. Settle down. Maybe and then another warm up your hamstrings. Push your chest toward it. Whenever you find your fitness, and walk forward. Maybe float right up and bring your right knee outside the right. Extend it back and exhale again. One more time. Left side. Back to high plank and drop your knees. Option to move to one round of cow and cat. And bring your toes together. Adjust your table. And slightly lift your left knee off from the floor. And open to the left. Exhale, release it. Inhale, open towards the left. And exhale, release. One more time. This time, kickstand your right shin out and extend your left leg, your left arm towards the sky. Maybe turn your left palm and bring it to your back for half bind. Maybe even grab the top of your right thigh. Use the left side of your waist and come up to a gay pose. Right arm towards the sky and side bend to your left. Come back to center, right arm down, float your left foot up. Support a half moon. Extend your left arm over your left ear. And next up, release your left hand down, step your left foot outside your left hand. Inhale, open your chest. And exhale, pull back to half split. Flex your left toes. Inhale, come back forward. And exhale, sit back, straighten from left. Last time. And exhale. Option to bring your right hand down toward the floor and left hand toward the sky. Twist to your left. Pull that left quadriceps into your hip socket. Both hands down, lift your back leg up, and step outside of your right hand. Malasana. Inhale, extend your right arm out, and exhale, left hand up. Turn your left palm and create a half bind. Even grab your left hand with your right hand, create a full bind. Continue pushing that left knee away from the center. And back to center. Extend your left arm out, right hand toward the sky, and flip your right palm, create a half bind, or come to full bind. And back to center. And hands down, lift your tailbones up, heel to your feet together. Straighten your right leg, left hand down, right hand up. Twist to your right. Stretch your right hand straight and switch sides. Inhale, slowly roll up. Ardha Hastasana, come up to your toes. Left hand grab your right wrist and side bend to your left. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, side bend to your right. And back to center, open your arms and swan dive over your legs. Inhale, hands on your shin, straighten your spine. And exhale, release to Vinyasa. Lift your right foot away from the floor. And maybe step it back toward the sky to half spread on your left foot. Hold your chest towards your left thigh. And maybe your right hip turns to a little bit open in this pose. Let it be. And carefully step it back. Inhale, arms up, come to high lunge. And exhale, hands down. Float your left leg up to down dog split. And walk your hands towards the back to a standing split on your right leg. And release your left foot to meet with your right. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, release. Inhale, roll up. And exhale, fold to Uttanasana. Walk your hand forward. Into high plank, move to your Vinyasa. Inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Or back bend of the body. Exhale, push your tailbone to the back. Hatha Mukha Svanasana. Do a round of breath here. Bend your legs, put your hands, and step by step, or hop forward. Inhale, or Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold forward, and up. And open your arms, swan dive over your legs. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, come back. This time, lift your left foot up and extend it back towards the sky. Standing split on your right leg. Standing strong to your right leg. And maybe step it. Carefully bend to your right leg. Inhale, arms up into high lunge. And exhale, head down. Lay your right leg up. Split. And start walk your hands. Keep your left leg strong and straight. To standing split on your left. Inhale. And exhale, release your right foot. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, flow forward. Go up. Urdhva Hastasana. And exhale, swan dive over your legs. And lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward and walk your hands forward. Plank, move your Vinyasa. And push your tailbones up. And Svanasana. Downward. Go around the breath here. Looking between your hands, step by step, hop forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, go forward. Go up. And exhale, dive down. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, go forward. This time, lift your right leg up. Split on your left leg. Maybe this time try to grab one hand, angle with one hand to ensure balancing, or even both. Standing strong to your left leg. You have the grab, step back, up, arms up, lunge. Exhale, fly your left foot back up, down dog split. Your hands toward your back foot. Maybe grab your ankle with one hand or both. Go forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, release back down. Go up. Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, open your arms and fold forward. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold forward and walk your hands back and forward. Move to your Vinyasa. Option to float your right leg up. And exhale, we'll meet in down dog. Three rounds of breath here. And your legs look between your hands and hop forward. Inhale. And exhale, release down. Roll up. And open your arms. Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, release down. This time you lift your left leg up, standing split. Maybe grab ankle with one hand or both. Exhale, fold forward your right thigh. Inhale, reach in through the left toes. And exhale, step back. Inhale, arms up, high lunge. And exhale, hands down, fly your right foot up. And dog split. Walk your hands toward your left back foot. Maybe grab your ankle again. Good. Weight evenly into your left foot. And exhale, release down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward to plasma. Roll up to Urdhva Hastasana. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, walk your hands forward. Move your Vinyasa. Maybe fold your left foot up. And exhale, push your tailbones up. Down dog. Bend your legs. And this time, step by step, or hop your feet outside of your hands. Come to Vinyasa again. Feeling the people build up in you. Walking around the floor, moving. We're trying Bakasana here. Roll pose. If you like to, bring your feet together and your hands on the ground. If you need it, you probably can just slide a block behind you and come from the block for extra height. Hug your elbows in, push your upper arm bones with your knees, and press your shin bones on your upper arm bone. Maybe lift one foot up and the other, or both. Bakasana, for both. You can roll in your practice. Maybe come down to the crown of your head and extend your legs towards the sky. And back down carefully. And release it. Good fight, go pose. Come to Uttanasana and step your feet onto your palm. Use your toes to massage your wrist. Soft the bend to your legs. And let your elbows fall to the side. If it is too much, too far away from you, also bring blocks in front of you and bring the top of your hands onto the palm. Same stretch. And now, go back to Hastasana and palms together into your heart center. And bring your right out. And extend your right leg. Bend right leg. And open that right arm to the side. Bring it back to center. Quite small like that. Next time when it's out, Press your right foot onto your left inner thigh. Tree pose. Big chestnut. Maybe grow your tree with strong and steady foundation by reaching your palm for the sky. Pushing strongly into the left inner thigh with the right foot and press your right knee for the outside. Option to bring out your tree. Option to close your eye for one moment. Bring your hands back down. Step down right foot. Bring your left knee up. And step that foot back toward it. Open your arms, bend into your right foot, right leg. Flip your thumb palm and reverse your warrior. Left hand behind the back or onto your right hip, the bind. Straighten the back and extend your right arm forward. Maybe you'll toe your left foot in a little bit and reaching forward. And release your right hand back down to the ground. And that's a triangle pose with a bind. Bend into your right leg, side angle, right hand down. Bring your right hand about 6 inches away from your right toe and stretch up, up. Press the right heel to the wall behind. Use a TV band of the and exhale, bend your right leg, gently come back to warrior two. Bend into your leg, pressing together, Vinyasa, side plank. If you need support, and release your hand for the floor, use the actual stability. And next time you bend into your right foot, right arm over your right leg and create a full bind around your right knee. This right side lunge. Option 2, bring your left foot in and around to this side. Keep that bind and maybe start slowly straighten your left leg into flamingo pose. Option 2, keep that left leg standing strong and straight and fall forward. Come out, soft bend through your left leg and release your right foot toward the ground. Step your left foot back, left hand down, right arm up, twisting to your right in runners lunge. Step your right foot back, step over your left side plank. Right hand down, come back to high plank, and push your active to downward facing dog. Bend to your legs and hop forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, release down. Inhale, roll up to Urdhva Hastasana. And exhale, heart, hand through your heart center. Put your second side. Lift your left knee up. Step your left foot forward. Bend it in. And open that left knee towards the side. Twice more like that. Next one is out. Pass your left foot into your right inner thigh into tree pose. Extend your hands toward the sky to grow your tree. Press strongly through your right foot. Maintaining that strong foundation. Option 2. Palms branch out your tree. Palms together, and release it back down, step down your left foot, bring your right knee up, and step it back to warrior two on the other side. Flip your front palm, reverse your warrior, keep the half bind. Inhale, come back up. Extend your left hand forward. Maybe here toe your right foot slightly and straight your left leg. And reaching forward, release your left hand down to Vinyasa. And left hand can be on your left shin, left ankle, or block. Triangle. Bend to your left leg. Side angle. Pushing strongly into the right pinky edge of your right foot. Pressing your left arm bone into your left knee. Bring your left hand 6 inches away from your left pinky toe. And drag your right foot and float it up to the sky. Come to Ardha Chandrasana, half moon. You possibly still have the line. Keep it there if you can. Pressing strongly into your right heel. It's almost like you're standing on the wall behind you. And bend to your left leg. Come back to warrior two. Open your arms. Press your palms together. Side lunge into your right. Dandasana. Side. Next time we come back to left. Wrap your left arm outside of your left knee. And bring your right arm out behind you. Take that 4 bind here. Maybe drag your right foot. Option to stay here. This is enough for you. Or come up to the toe of your left foot. And start slowly lift your bind up by straightening your right leg. Bending strong to your right foot. Pull your right outer hip in. Maybe fall forward. Flamingo pose. Bend to your left, right leg. Step your right back. Come to the front of runner's lunge. Right hand down. Left arm up. Simple. Step your left foot back. Just stack over your right. Left arm over your left ear. Bring your left hand down. Plank. Move to your Vinyasa. Or directly pushing to downward dog. Step by step, hop your feet outside of your hands. Come to Malasana. One more time. If your bind is out of your reach, maybe this is a good time to find it. Possibly need it. From Malasana, grab the strap with the left hand. Extend your right arm up. And the left hand up. Bring to your back. Create a half bind or full bind. You have the strap, your right hand grab the strap. That's easy for you to grab your hand. Maybe you can lift the strap, but it doesn't hurt to lift it for now. And start slowly. Bring on. Actually, feed your right arm between your right calf and your right knee. With a different bind. And start Shimmy your left foot into the center and up on your right toes. And start slowly lift up. Stay here. Or take your right leg out. Good. Come back to center. Bend to your left leg. Release down. The other side. Extend your left arm out. Right arm up. Create that half bind. And feed your left arm in your left calf and your left thigh. Create that bind. Your toe, your right foot to the center. Come up your left toe. And start slowly lift up. Option 2, pick out the left leg. Put up paradise. Your right leg, come back down. And push back to try pose. From trial pose, wrap your right arm underneath your left and rest your right side of your cheek on the floor. Let your breath start come back to normal. Enjoy the stillness at the flow. Come back to center and thread your left arm under your right. Look over your right armpit. Maybe then close your eyes. Come back to center and bring your arms by your side. Maybe cup your heels with your hand. Release your shoulders toward the floor. Inhale, roll up. Sit on your shin. And straighten your arms. Reaching through the crown of your head towards the sky. And tuck your chin towards your chest. Slowly roll along your midline. Pull your knees and tip crown of your head hit the ground. Rabbit pose. Release from it, slowly go back to center. And extend your leg forward. Whatever way that you prefer. Come all the way down to your back. Bring your heels towards your hips. Hands by your side. And now lift your hips up. Bridge pose. Bandha Satmangasana. Keep your knees parallel to each other. Option to clasp your hands underneath your hips and roll up onto your shoulders. And open the chest. A block nearby, maybe slightly block the lowest height underneath your sacrum and release your hips and breath. Tap your feet toward the sky, waterfall. That be there without any effort. Bring your feet back to the ground. Bring your right ankle over your left knee. Open your right hip. Bring your left knee into your chest. Go figure four. Keep your right hand between your legs and clasp your left hand in front of your left shin. Use your right elbow to open towards the side. Continue opening left right. Push your way left right knee. Use from that. And switch. Left ankle over right knee. Bring your right and right knee to your chest. Put your left hand in between. And just switch the clasp this time. Let's take use your hands for your right knee closer to your chest. And open your left elbow. Push your hand to your left knee back. Open up the overhead. And release both feet down. If you have the blocks, just keep it there. And extend your legs forward. One last time, open your front body. This is comfortable for you. You have time. Feel free to stay here. Finish Shavasana. Or bend your legs. Slide out the block. And re-extend your legs. And anywhere that you want to be. Shavasana. Let your body sink into that where underneath you. Fingers and toes. You swing your hips gently side to side. And roll on to your right side for a moment. Maybe even look at whatever you put away in the beginning of the practice. See how you feel about them at this moment. Use the left hand to support yourself to come up to comfortable seated pose. Press your palms together to honor through, like out there might not in the same space with you, not doing practice, but they're practicing the yoga on the mat. And appreciate that you still lucky enough that have this time to have out of your day practice yourself. Bring your thumbs between your third eye, between your eyebrows to your third eye center, or then towards your heart center. Thank you so much.